Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel once again, and this is going to be another update about Cardsand Road. And notice there's something going on over there, and one of the bridges are getting removed, and then I believe they're building a new bridge, but it's actually not the one over by the toll station. It's actually one of those little bridges that's being replaced. Something like that, I don't know. And today is March 6, 2026.
Sure it's 6?
And spring break is coming soon. And then I think spring begins in about 2 weeks. It's gonna get hotter. It's gonna get warm. And then sooner or later it's gonna get hot.
What's next to spring?
And then
Jesse.
wow. And you see that sign right there? That must be a roadwork sign. So I believe construction activity begins next week on March 12th. Yeah, construction begins on the 12th of March. So be prepared for that. Here's the first bridge, but that's not what they're gonna do. They're gonna, oh, you see that sign right there? That's a roadwork sign. Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. This is what they were gonna do. I believe they're gonna build more houses on Cardsand Road. I don't know.
No.
Maybe make more spaces on Cardsand Road. I don't know. Yep, I see a whole bunch of roadwork signs right there. That's like a bunch of them. Gonna put rumble sticks on them. I just hear a rumble stick. Cardsand Road is going to be under construction, just like they did on the 18-mile stretch. And I see a traffic light right there. Yeah, this is a traffic signal. Okay, so now we're finally moving. So I wonder what's going on over there. Maybe they're building something for the bridge. I have no idea what is going on. I have no idea what's going on right now.
What's going on?
Wow. Look at that.
This is John Milan. You just sent me a message about my inability to
So,
appointment. And you can get
this is all
call
public
back
information, and
305-942-3612.
looks like we're already here.
Try to get together. Thank you very much.
And once I get to the other side of the bridge, I will end this video. And yeah. So that's basically the construction project of Cardsand Road. So yeah. That's basically what the construction project looks like. Maybe they'll do the same thing over here on this bridge. So yeah. I can see the colorful trees right there. The fence. Yeah. I'm gonna end this video when we get over to the other side of the bridge. I'll end this video, okay? That's basically we had to stop at a traffic light because of road construction. So that's actually what they're doing right now, what they're gonna be doing next week. And I'm gonna end this video when we get to the other side of the bridge. Here we go. Wow, look at that bridge. They're not actually building another bridge, so I am going to I'm actually gonna end this video in just a few minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of the construction project, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.